Jai Hind. Welcome to Computology Academy, and today we are going to discuss about the different claims made on the social media and different news platforms that the coronavirus is a man-made virus and it has been made by the PLA, that is the People's Liberation Army of China, at the Wuhan laboratory as a biological weapon. So we will go into the details about what are the claims and how it has been claimed and what are the authentications that are being given as an evidence to prove it that it is true. So do subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos and other informative videos. Whenever we will uploading, you will get notified. So thank you, and let's us start. So on the social media platform, different claims had been made on behalf of Tasuku Honjo, who is a Japanese virologist and a Nobel laureate in this field, that he is claiming that the coronavirus is a man-made virus and it has been made by China because it is able to sustain in a wide climatic range. That is, it is able to sustain itself even in the sub-zero climatic condition where the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, as well as in the high temperature regions and the deserts like in the Saudi Arabia and other deserts. So he said that the claim was being made that he said that such kind of virus can be only man-made because the viruses are not able to sustain such kind of wide range of temperatures. But he refuted these claims, that he has not made any such kind of claims publicly on the news platforms, and thereafter the people started to juggle about the information. But if there was such a claim that it is man-made virus, then there must have been some reasons behind that. So now the United States Secret Services had got access to some documents, and that is being authored, that had been authored by around 15 scientists of China who were working at Wuhan. Wuhan is the place where the laboratory is located, from where it is being claimed that the virus had leaked from the laboratory and came to the humans. And this is the region where the wide majority of the people had got infected because of this virus in China, and thereafter only the news came to the world platform that such kind of virus is infecting the Chinese people, and till then it had been made public. Till then the virus had crossed the boundaries of China and it had entered in the other countries, and till then it was very difficult to control it and to isolate the people who have got infected because of this. So this claim was being made that here in the military laboratory, coronavirus was being developed as a biological weapon in the preparation of World War III. So what was the purpose of this virus to be made as a man-made virus, as a biological weapon? That is World War III. So how does the World War III came into picture? So here is a question that creates the curiosity in the minds of many people. So basically, Xi Jinping, the leader of China, is very ambitious. He is very ambitious person, and he is trying to make China as a world superpower. And because of this, he has initiated various projects like Belt and Road Initiative, Silk Road Initiative, String of Pearl Initiative to encircle India in the ocean, and various other things. And he is making the military bases at different countries in the different regions. And he thinks that World War III will happen because of the assertiveness and aggression of China, and in that case many of the countries would stand together against China, and in that condition, to handle that situation, the conventional weapons or the conventional mode of war will not be sufficient to sustain China against those countries. Combined effort of those countries may crush Chinese army, and they will not be able to become the superpower. And in that preparation, since 2015, that is revealed by that document that has been leaked, and that is being accessed by the secret services of United States as well as the Australian services also. And here it says that since 2015 China is developing the coronavirus as a biological weapon, and they had got a clue of this from 2003 SARS virus. So the SARS virus was the base for this virus, and they were trying to make it as a biological weapon, and they were developing a antidote or a method to control it also. But before they would have achieved that, this virus leaked from the laboratory and came to the humans, and because of that their project failed. A kind of failure occurred because of lack of sincerity and lack of protectiveness, and because of this what happened, it created a pandemic throughout the world. In November 2019, around that time, the virus leaked, and till January 2000, China was refusing any such kind of occurrence. But in March 2000, COVID was declared as a pandemic by WHO. But what is happening here, China is not giving access to any international organization, and they had given only access to the WHO to do the research on that particular thing, and that too after a great effort by the international authorities. And because of that they had to give the access of the Wuhan laboratory to the WHO, but still they had created various hindrances, because of which what happened, WHO was not able to make a solid and research at that particular place, and because of that their research were also inconclusive. And because of this what happened, China was able to protect its secrets of COVID, that is a man-made virus, and now the secret documents has got leaked, and that has revealed that they were making COVID as a biological weapon to supplement the efforts of PLA in the condition of World War III. And the same thing has been accessed by the Australians, and he is an MP, Member of Parliament of Australia. His name is Peter Jennings, and he is very outspoken in this fact, and because of him, he is the member of Select Committee of the Australian External Affairs, and because of his efforts and other people's, Australia has brought down 25%. By 25% the Australian investment has been brought down in China, and there is a continuous tug of war of trade between China and Australia. And China initially thought that they were make the Australians to submit in front of them, but they were not able to do that, and the Australians intensified their effort to reduce their investment in China. And because of this what has happened, now the Chinese are in an awkward position that the virus is man-made. Now they are losing their credibility in the world platform. They are being criticized throughout the world, and because of this what has happened, the Chinese are now at a receiving end, and because of their mistakes throughout the world, around 58 crore people has got infected because of coronavirus, and around 35 lakh people have lost their life because of coronavirus till date. So this is the situation what has happened. For more informative videos, join our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload such kind of informative videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day.